morning all of you. So today we will do an activity. Okay, are you ready? Okay. So first of all, what you can see on the board, there are numbers from 1 to 50. I have written numbers from 1 to 50. Okay. So first of all, we will circle numbers which comes in 2's table or the numbers which are divisible by 2 except 2. What we have to do? We have to circle the numbers which can be divisible by 2 except 2. What are they? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. So all the numbers which are divisible by 2 or which comes in 2's table are circled now. Now we will circle the numbers which comes in 3's table or which are divisible by 3 except 3. So what are they? 6, 3 की टेबल में 6, 9, then 12 already circled, 15, 18 already circled, 21, 24, 27, 30, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, all done. So now we have circled all the numbers which are divisible by 3. Now what will we do? We circled all the numbers which comes in 5, 7 or which divisible by 5 except 5. Except 5. So first is 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45, then 50. So the numbers which are divisible by 5 are circled now. What we will do? Now we will circle the numbers which comes in 7 table of 7 or the numbers which are divisible by 7 except 7. So what are they? 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. Now all the numbers which are divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7 are circled now. So what you can see from this table, what are the numbers which are not circled? Which are the numbers? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, then 29 and so on are the numbers which are not circled. So these numbers are called prime numbers except 1. From 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, then 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 are prime numbers, are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. And what are prime numbers? The numbers which have exactly 2 factors, means the number which are divisible by only 2 numbers, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Example 2. 2 is divisible by 2 and 1. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3 only. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 only. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7 only. So this type of numbers are called prime numbers. And the numbers which are circled here in this chart are called composite numbers. Are called composite numbers. Okay. So from 4 we can start 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21 are all are composite numbers. So composite numbers are the numbers which comes in which have more than 2 factors. Every number which is circled here have more than 2 factors. Suppose 4. 4 can be divisible by 1, 2 and 4. So it has 3 factors, 1, 4 and 2. So 4 is a composite number. Comes to the 6. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Means 6 has 4 factors. What are they? 1, 2, 3 and 6. That's why 6 is a composite number, because it have more than 2 factors. It has 4 factors. Okay? Like this, all the numbers which are circled here are composite numbers. Now come to the number 1. 1 is nor prime nor composite. 1 is called unique number because it has only one factor, which is 1. 1 has only one factor. The numbers which have 2 factors are called prime numbers. A number which has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers, and number which has only one factor, this type of number is called unique number. So 1 have only one factor, 1 is called unique number. Okay? Thank you.